In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. Let's walk through this in a simple, clear way so you can confidently present your slides in your next meeting. I'll explain what to look for on your screen and share a few tips along the way to make everything run smoothly. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams and that you've either joined or started a meeting. You can do this from the desktop app or from the web version in your browser. Once you're inside the meeting, look towards the middle or lower part of the screen for the meeting controls. These are the icons that let you turn your camera and microphone on or off. Among these controls, you'll see an icon that looks like an upward pointing arrow or a rectangle with an arrow inside it. This is the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This is the key step that opens up all your options for presenting content to everyone in the meeting. After you click Share, a panel will appear showing different ways you can present. You might see options like sharing your entire screen, sharing a specific window, or sharing a PowerPoint file directly. If you already have your PowerPoint file open on your computer, you can choose the window where your slides are displayed. This will share only that window, which helps keep the rest of your desktop private. If your presentation is saved in OneDrive or a shared Teams channel, look for the PowerPoint section in the sharing panel. There, you can select your file, so Teams can open it in presentation mode for you. This option is especially useful because it lets participants move through the slides on their own, if you allow it, and it usually performs better on slower internet connections. Before you actually start speaking, take a moment to confirm that your audience can see the slides. You can do this by glancing at the small preview that Teams shows you, or by asking participants to give you a quick confirmation in the chat. Also, make sure you've selected the correct screen or window if you're working with multiple monitors. Once your slides are visible and everything looks right, you're ready to present. Use the arrow keys or on-screen controls to move through your deck. And remember, you can always stop sharing by clicking the